Now, there's a very important element that I want to actually also elaborate on, because it's very relevant to the concept of the persona and in the process of how the model builds a profile or an idea about who you are. Because basically what the model is doing on the back end is it's pro user. It's actually building a comprehensive persona of who you are. So in addition, of course, to whatever information you have provided on the custom instructions, as we have just seen earlier, in terms of who you are and the kind of the nature of the response you want to be obtaining, the model over time, it actually builds and improves understanding about who you are. So basically what happens, and if we look at this section here, I can have access to all my conversations with the model since over the last 3-6 months, etc. So everything is stored here, and each one of these units that you see here, or each one of these entries that you see here, those are like basically different kind of conversations that I had with the model. And if I click on each one of these, you might actually be able to see that these are different conversations that I had with the model. Now, the interesting thing here is that the model stores, of course, if you decide to actually allow the model to store this information, these conversations, it stores all this information and these conversations over time.